Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the buzzing world of bumblebees and exploring a surprising adversary they face in their quest for survival: aggressive ants. Bumblebees, crucial pollinators in our ecosystems, are already under pressure from pesticides, habitat loss, and disease. But now, it seems ants might be adding to their challenges. Michelle Miner, former graduate student at the University of California, Riverside, conducted an in-depth study to understand how these tiny warriors interact with ants. The research, published in the Journal of Insect Science, involved observing over 4,000 behaviors of more than 400 bumblebees. 6 bumblebee colonies were placed in an arena where they could choose between feeders with ants and those without. The ants in question, known as Argentine ants or sugar ants, are notorious for their non-stinging bites and their ability to swarm in large numbers to dominate food resources. When these ants gather in significant numbers, they create a formidable barrier for bumblebees trying to access nectar. The study revealed that bumblebees tend to avoid feeders swarming with ants due to the increased risk of being bitten. Although these bites aren't fatal, they can provoke a defensive response from the bees. Interestingly, rather than using their stingers, which could be fatal for honeybees, bumblebees sometimes opt to decapitate ants with their powerful jaws as a defense mechanism. Despite their larger size giving them an advantage in one-on-one confrontations, these skirmishes are not beneficial for the colony as a whole. When bumblebees engage in these conflicts, they lose valuable time and energy that could be spent gathering nectar and pollen. This diversion of resources weakens their ability to fulfill their primary role as pollinators. The study raises important questions about how bumblebee colonies adjust to these constant confrontations. Do they send out more foragers to compensate for the losses, or do they experience a decline in efficiency? Younger bees often remain in the hive until they are mature enough to forage, adding another layer of complexity to understanding colony dynamics. This research sheds light on the additional pressures bumblebees face due to aggressive ants. While bumblebees can defend themselves, the time and energy lost in these battles could potentially affect the overall health of the colony. The crucial question remains: how will these colonies adapt to these new pressures, and can they develop strategies to cope with them? Thank you for joining us at Science Hub. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of bumblebees, make sure to subscribe for more exciting science content.